So I saw this picture about 2 days ago. According to the news, these are 95 prisoners from Obigbo, River State. They were discovered in a prison in Kaduna by a human rights group known as International Society for Civil Liberties and Rule of Law. So these people are secretly held in a prison in Kaduna. And what is more heartbreaking is when they were taken during the Endsars protest in 2020, Nyesom Wike, who was the then River State governor, was aware of this abduction. And do you know that these people are still there from 2020 to today, 2025? That is 5 years of being in Kaduna prison. For what exactly? For being part of the Endsars protesters. And the government is aware. Because according to the news, Wike is aware. Now, no one is saying anything. Even people in River State cannot tell me that they've not seen about this news or they've not seen this picture. Or people in River State cannot tell me that some of their family members have not been missing since Endsars protest. Now, this is the concern. According to a statement signed by Intercity Board of Chairman, the group reviewed that out of the abducted residents, 4 have already died, while 257 remain missing. And their names have been publicly published by Intercity. And according to the news, their families have been crying for justice. Like, this is one thing I want to understand. These were unarmed citizens protesting in 2020. And they were arrested, abducted rather, from River State to Kaduna. They were not sentenced. No one took them to court. Nothing was done. No court hearing. They were just dumped in a prison since 2020. And this is another thing. Do you want to tell me that if VDM gets involved with this case, that these guys are not going to get freedom? At least this case will get more recognition. All you influencers, you will not come and influence on this one. Guys, please, let's share this message. Let it get to VDM. Because as a bad rich, now him be the only police we know. He's the hope of the hopeless ones in Nigeria. He's even becoming more powerful and stronger than the government in terms of getting justice for the oppressed. Guys, I beg every one of you, please. Let's tag VDM. Let's share this video. Let's see if there's any way VDM can help with these guys. I know it's a bigger case. I know it's a very, very big case because, I mean, this is 2020, this thing happened. But I still believe there's something VDM can do with this case. Let us just share. Let us just share. Just share, and keep on raising the awareness. Very dark man, if there's a way you can help Nigerians, whatever you can do, whichever way you can do it, let us help these guys. Let them regain their freedom and join their families. Thank you.